Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Did some shopping during the Sephora sale and I was only going to do like a low buy type of a thing, just buy my backups, but I ended up buying a few other things too and I'd like to show you what I got. Yeah, let me try to show you this box right here. Yeah, it is so full of stuff, isn't it? And I also bought a few things from our grocery store. There was a new, I guess, Milani makeup stand there, so I bought a new foundation. I do have to say that it did take a while for the packages to get here because of all that's been going on, and you know, it is after the sale, so I do apologize for that if you're seeing something here and can't get it in sale, but sales are happening a lot lately, so keep that in mind. Two items that I'm still waiting on, and that's going to be coming in my daughter's box. And let's start with something that I always like to try to get during the Sephora sale is getting one of their Sephora favorites, and this one I got the Sun Safety Kit. There are the products that are in there. It does come with a little travel bag and it feels kind of like a scuba suit, like neoprene. So I guess that's great because it's for the waterproof, it's for the sun safety kit. It does look like it has a great assortment of different sunscreens for the body and for the face. Now, one of the products that will be coming in with my daughter's product is this sunscreen by Supergoop. It's the Unseen with an SPF of 40. I got a little travel size and I want to say it's in this kit. Let me look and make sure. So yeah, it is in here. So I'm going to have 3 different sizes of this sunscreen. A little small travel size and a little medium-sized travel size and then a full size. But this one's almost finished because I was trying this and I like how it's sitting on my face. It's not piling on my skin after I put my sunscreen on. Now, one of the things I did not try it with is under foundation. So I'm hoping that this one would work. And I'll let you know because I'm having a hard time trying to find sunscreen for underneath my makeup, and I'm hoping I found it with this one. And the full size will be coming later. Now, the other product that's coming in with my daughter's stuff is this one by Living Proof, the thickening mousse. I did buy one and then I started thinking about it. I think I need another one just in case for, you know, to keep as a backup because I do love this mousse. So I did buy this one and another one will be coming on its way with the sunscreen. And I love what this mousse does. This and the one by Oribe are the 2 thickening mousse that I use and I like to interchange between them. Here's some more backups. This is the Brazilian Foreplay, the moisturizing shower gel. So I bought 2 of them here. And here's the other one. I mean, during the sale is a good time to buy backups. Here's another backup. It's by Tata Harper, the Hydrating Floral Mask. This one showed up at my empties last month, so I'm glad I got a backup of it on sale because this one is a little bit on the pricier side. I believe 1 ounce product of this mask is, I think, $90, but 20% off. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's still better than paying full price. And it's a great moisturizing mask for your skin. Love this mask. I guess I'm going to go ahead and show you most of my backups first. This one by Biossance, the Squalane, Peptide, and Eye Gel. Love this eye gel. I believe this is like my 5th bottle of it, and I just used half a pump. That's enough to use for both eyes, and it just gives me that added moisture that I need for underneath my aging eyes. Another backup is this mask by Herbivore, the Brightening Mask. I did a video on this one and I'll link it down below, and I also did a video with this mask and I'll link that one down below too if you'd like to check that one out. But this one really does brighten my face and I like what this does, and I love Herbivore. It's natural products. Let me look here. It's a radiance mask featuring pineapple enzyme and micronized Brazilian tourmaline gemstones. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to finally get a backup of this one. And here's another backup mask. It's by Fresh. It's the Vitamin Nectar Vibrance Boosting Face Mask. Now, I haven't had this one for probably 6 months because I was using another vitamin C mask. I believe it was by Pharmacy. And I finished that one, and I think I prefer this one by Fresh a lot better than the one by Pharmacy. And this is a nice mask. I used it this morning. Let me kind of show you the texture of it since I already used it and opened it. But I kind of like it because it does look like little bits of oranges in there. And it does smell like oranges. Yeah, I like this mask. And I was glad that I was able to get it and I used it this morning. Another product by Herbivore, it's the True Blue Skin Clarifying Duo. And this is a backup. I love the Blue Tansy mask and also the Lapis Oil. Really does help with my acne prone skin. It comes in a little travel size here, which is perfect because with Herbivore, their products do tend to go bad a little faster because they are natural products. They are using natural products. But here's the size of the Blue Tansy mask. And here's the size of the Blue Lapis Oil. I'm almost finished with one I'm using right now, so I'm glad I got a backup. And I haven't used this one in a while because I didn't like the full size of it because, like I said, it does go bad, so I'm glad I got it in the smaller size. And it's great for my acne-prone skin. It really does clean it out. Here's another backup. These are by Loccitane. It's been a while since I've used these products, and I kind of missed it, so I thought, okay, I'll go ahead and get it again during the sale. It's by Loccitane, the shower oil and the almond scent. Oh my God, this smells beautiful. And I also got it in the delicious paste. I believe this is, what is this one? What did I get? It's the exfoliating cream. I thought I got the body cream, to be all honest, but I got the exfoliating one. But the smell of it is, oops, didn't see that one. But the smell of it is divine. I love the almond oil scent. I don't think I've ever tried the exfoliating paste, and it's really thick. I do feel the exfoliating beads in there. Oh, it feels so good. And it smells so good. So yeah, it is a little bit on the thicker side. Do you use this one in the shower, or is it like a body lotion? I don't know. Let me look and see. It does say to apply onto damp skin, so I guess I'll use this after I finish my shower. Before I get out, I'll just rub this all over my body and just enjoy the exfoliation and the scent. Now this is something new for me. It's by Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Type Toner. Okay, it comes in a cute glass bottle. Does smell like watermelon, so I'm excited about that because I do have enlarged pores, so I hope that this will tighten my pores. This bouncy alcohol-free treatment is formulated with PHA and willow bark, a natural form of BHA to help unclog and decongest pores. Combined with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and cactus water, this toner smooths without stripping the skin. What's PHA? I have to check that one out. I have to look that one up. Okay, it says here, PHA is a gentler, non-drying acid that smooths and softens skin, and it is known to be great for sensitive skin. Okay. I do like to use toners and essences on my skin, so I'm excited about this one. I hope it does work. I got the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash by Fresh. I saw this in their just arrived little category there, and I thought, I always like a good exfoliating face wash, so I got this one. Let's see if it does have some exfoliating beads in there. Does smell like strawberries. That is what it looks like. Kind of strawberry in color. Do you feel some exfoliation? It's not very rough at all. Does smell good. I like it. Okay, I had to go wash my hands because it was getting a little sticky here, but let's go ahead and keep going. Now this one, I'm really excited to have the full size of this. It's by St. Jane, the Luxury Beauty Serum, and it has CBD oil in here. 500 milligrams of CBD plus 20 potent botanicals. I did get a little small sample size of this, and also the one by Lord Jones, I think that's the name of it, and it was in my empties last month. And I kind of like the one by St. Jane better. I used this one at night, and whenever I woke up in the morning, my face was really smooth whenever I splash some water on my face. I'm excited about this. I like the little tube that it comes in. Yeah, see, look at that little cylinder tube that it comes in. Okay, ooh, nice little fancy rectangle bottle there. Yeah, don't pay attention to my fingernails, but I do like the bottle and I do like the serum. Another product that I got with CBD oil is this one by Lord Jones, and this is not the serum for my face, this is the body lotion. The high CBD formula body lotion. This one contains 100 milligrams of CBD per bottle and approximately 2 milligrams of CBD per pump. That's what it says here. Contains no THC, which is good. So yeah, I kind of like using this one on my legs, and it does smell very nice. Sephora was having it on sale and then add an additional 20% off. So I thought, okay, why not? And I also got it, and I also used my points to get a little travel size of it too. Now this is by Beauty Blender. It's the Blender Cleanser Solid Charcoal. So I got this one, and I have no idea how to use this. I believe Kathy from Kathy Beauty Care Chats, she loves this. So I thought, okay, let me try this. Let me try to open it first. Oh, okay, so it has a little mat to rub your beauty blender or brushes on in the shape of a heart there. And a big bar of soap, the solid soap. Does smell good. And I do like to use the small one that, sometimes you'll get little samples of it in the white one. So I do like to use that. And this would be great to clean my brushes with, and also my makeup sponges. I have one mascara by Pat McGrath. What is the name of this one? The Fetish Eyes Mascara. And look at the little packaging that it comes in. I do need to have scissors here. Hold on. All right, got me some scissors, and here just a regular black tube of mascara. Now the only eyeshadow palette that I bought is this one by Too Faced, the Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. I kept looking at it and kept looking at it. It's like, oh, okay. And then when I saw it on sale, it's like, okay, let me get it. Let me try it. And it's actually what I'm using on my eyes right now. And here are the shades in here. So it is a pretty neutral, basic eyeshadow palette. I don't know. I kind of like the colors in here. And what I'm using on my lid right now is this shade right here. Actually, it was that shade that kind of sold it to me. And I kind of like this look that I created. And I used these two shades right here on my for my transition, and this shade right here for the outer V. And let me look at the names, because I don't know the names of the shades here. Seashell, Maple, and Truffle. Okay, I like the names here. And I also like how there is a matte shade and then a shimmer shade of the same tone. Shimmer and matte. Matte, shimmer. So I kind of like that setup. And believe it or not, I don't have any eyeshadow palettes by Too Faced. I used to have the orange, was it the Blossom eyeshadow palette that I got rid of it years ago, and so this is now my only Too Faced eyeshadow palette that I have, and so far I'm kind of liking it. I mean, I've only used it once, but I will play with this some more because I like this gold one right there, and this pink, the rose gold right here, and then this champagne one. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fun playing with this eyeshadow palette. I wanted to get the one by Artist Couture. I can't remember the name of it, but that one sold out, which was probably a blessing in disguise. So I only got one eyeshadow palette in this this haul. I got the set by Fenty Beauty. It's her lip gloss set, the Glossy Posse. It comes in a little tin can here. I believe that's how you open it. So it comes with 5 little mini of her lip glosses. There are the shades right there. I have one of her full-size lip glosses, and I really do like that one. It kind of reminds me of the Hourglass lip gloss that I also love, and I also got a backup of it. So yeah, that one's going to be next. But this one by Fenty Beauty, I just kind of like these colors right here that's in this kit. Especially that one and this one. And ooh, I like that one. Yeah, I like them all. And here's one of my favorite lip glosses by Hourglass. It's in the shade Ignite, and it was in my empties last month. So I went ahead and got a backup of this shade. It's a real pretty shade. Love these lip glosses. And I also kind of like the Fenty Beauty lip glosses too. Now these two new products here by Hourglass, I thought, okay, let me try it. This one I believe is the setting spray by Hourglass. There it is right there. Let's see what it is. It like an aerosol? Let's see. Let's try some. Maybe let me spray it out first before I put it on my face. Oh no, it's a pump. Okay. Okay, it's a very fine mist, I can tell you that. There's no scent to it. This one is a little bit on the pricier side, so I will play with it some more and see if it's worth it. But from what I just tried on right now, I still kind of like my MAC Fix Plus, but I kind of like the little aerosol pump. I thought it was an aerosol can, spray can, but it's an aerosol pump. And this one is the eyeshadow primer by Hourglass, and I haven't tried this one yet. I wanted to see how the eyeshadows work with my eyeshadow primer that I like to use. But if it's anything like their face primer, I thought, okay, I'll try the little eyeshadow primer too. It comes in a tube like that. Well, that's all the things I got from Sephora. Let me show you the one I got from our local grocery store, and it's the foundation, and I'm wearing it right now. It's by Milani. It's the Screen Queen. Yes, that's how you say it. And I got it in 2 shades. Oops, there it is. I got it in 2 shades right there. I got 340 and 380, and the one that I'm using right now is 380, and I kind of like it. It is on the light to medium coverage, but it does blend in my skin very nicely. And you know, I don't know if it's from the setting spray that I use from Hourglass, but it's giving me a little bit of a radiance. I should have looked at my face before I sprayed my face. Because now I just looked at my face and it's a little bit on the luminous side, and I want to say it's from the setting spray that I just used. But I will play with this foundation a little bit more and let you know if I like it or not. But so far, when I was applying it on, again, it is a more light to medium coverage. I had to use 2 pumps to cover my face, and it blended in very nicely. I did use a foundation brush, but so far, so good. Last thing that I got is by Sonia G, and it is her Sky Face brush set. It was finally restocked, and I finally got it. I know these are a lot on the pricier side, but I love her brushes, her eyeshadow brushes. Applying my shadows with her eyeshadow brushes is just night and day compared to some of the other brushes that I've used. And finally, I'm able to get her face set. I do have the ones with the red handle, the face set, but now I have the blue handle face set. That's how I refer them. Well, alright, that is my haul from Sephora. Mostly backups and some new items here and a new foundation from a grocery store and brushes. Let me know if you want me to do a video of trying some of these products on. Leave a comment down below. I really do appreciate you guys leaving comments down below. It's so nice to connect with you guys. But anywho, thank you again for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.